happy birthday and six for baby set. We are going to do a what? Amazon unboxing. Amazon unboxing. Y'all, it is 9/21. Y'all, I had to get this gift wrap. Do y'all buy nice gift for yourself? Do y'all ever buy gifts for yourself? I buy for myself all the time, and I wanted this to feel like a gift. And so, look, y'all, I had Amazon to wrap it. I had Amazon to wrap it for me. Isn't it cute? Look at the wrapping. Look at the wrapping. I love it. It is so cute. Look, Amazon. And it comes with a card. Let's see what it says. Y'all should give gifts to yourself. Okay. Enjoy your gift from me. That's right. Y'all ought to give yourself gifts and to give y'all, write yourself some love notes. Seriously. Seriously, you should. Oh, this is nice wrap. Now, if you want a gift wrap, anything gift wrapped from Amazon, this is a very nice bag. I'm going to keep this bag, y'all. I really like this. It's going to be $2.99. No, Coco, you're not getting your hands on that face wrapping. Come on. Y'all know what? When I get gifts, I like to keep the gift boxes. They need some pretty. They need some pretty. Coco, you're not getting your darn hands. And let's see what's on the bottom of these. Oh, something else in here. All right, y'all. There's a card in here. Oh. Okay, so. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Okay. Yeah, I like this. Okay, let's see what we got. Y'all, I had to get this. This was so cool. Okay, now this is by Lyson. Okay. Let's see what we have. Okay. Y'all, I hate when you have to, you have to pull from the sides to open. Of course, y'all know I bought another gadget. You never get enough of them. You really don't. You never get enough of these gadgets. At least I don't. There's one for every occasion. I kid you not. Okay, so, and here's the screw. I love these little screwdrivers. Okay, and let's see what we got here. Oh, I just love that packaging. Let's see what we have. Y'all, I was thinking about getting another phone. Well, I am going to get another phone. And I was going to get the iPhone 15 Pro Max and get the 512 gigabytes. But I'm going to wait and get the 16 because the 16 is right around the corner. Okay, y'all. So this, oh, that was on the lighting. This is let's see how I go. This is a iPad holder. Okay. And it's supposed to, and look, this is what I like about it. I had to get it because this is different. Look y'all, it swivels. It swivels. I had to get it. And I know somewhere it's supposed to, like, I'm going to keep fumbling with it because this part is also supposed to, there we go, y'all. Y'all know how I am. When you get a new stove you don't know how to operate, see, it goes also up to different heights. Y'all look at that. Y'all, I had to get this. So y'all better go to Amazon and get yourself one. Now this is an iPad holder. Okay? And it swivels around. Oh, I love this. I love this. Now, it may hold your iPhone. It will hold your iPhone if you have your iPhone sideways. Okay, yes, you're going to love this. Y'all need to go and get this. How much was this? I think it was probably $19.99 or less. It wasn't that much. Yeah, I love it. So tell me what y'all think. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye, Chick Babes and Chick Fur Babies. And do not forget to shop the Chick Babes and Fur Baby Boutique.myshopify.com. We have new pieces. We have home decor added to our collection. Yes, go check it out. We have so many new pieces. I am so excited about this new collection. I have Printify, and I tell you, the digital products is popping. It really is. Okay, so go check us out. And with Printify, it is print on demand. So as soon as you place your order, they're printing it right then and there, and they will be shipping it to you. Okay? Bye, babes.